The all-new Škoda Peaq will be the largest and most spacious car in the brand's lineup. Curious to know just how big? Well, it's currently a camouflage prototype, but I'd be more than happy to show you. But just having a big car isn't enough. You need to be clever when you're designing the exterior and interior proportions in order to maximize the interior space. Because that's one of the key advantages of Škoda cars.
The goal is to create the maximum spacious of the car in its class. That is one of the core Škoda value. What is fixed is the wheelbase of the platform. What we can play with is the front and rear overhang and also the width and height of the car. We start with the front seat. We are sitting higher and closer to the steering wheel. The distance between the driver's seat and the second row is almost 6 centimeters greater. In the back, passengers have 4 centimeters more headroom. The seating position in the third row is significantly more comfortable. That was one of our goals. But after all, we have to discuss it with the design and the aerodynamic.
To design a big car, you want to make it stretch, to make it elegant. So we can play with few design features to really prolongate the silhouette of the car. So I'm going to show you here. We have this main body line, which connects the front from the rear to the car. We have quite generous body side here with the small windows, and we wanted to play with, of course, this line to drop it lower around the wheel arch to sit really the car and to make it very low looking.
With the Peaq, you can look forward to a majestic car with exceptional interior space. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. We'll have more advantages for you soon. Do you know what is one of the most crucial ingredients needed to build a good car? It's a cleverly designed body structure. That's because it mainly affects the safety and comfort. And that's exactly the type of body that the Škoda Peaq has. Let's take a closer look.
The body combines materials with varying level of strength and thicknesses to best protect the occupant while effectively managing the energy of the impact. Some parts must remain as strong as possible. Others are designed to absorb energy in controlled manner.
The Peaq's rear doors are the largest in its class, which is a dream come true for passengers, but a big challenge for our engineers.
Large door openings place extremely demands on the skeleton strength. We had to optimize the body structure so that the car would maintain high torsional stiffness despite the exceptionally spacious rear entry.
A long wheelbase and a rigid frame are a good foundation for one more thing: good handling. And the Peaq handles great. There are two key advantages to having an electric platform: high rigidity and a lower center of gravity.
High torsional rigidity allows the chassis to operate much more precisely. Thanks to this, the Peaq feels stable, comfortable, and natural despite the car's size and weight.
The higher weight of an electric vehicle places entirely new demands on the chassis.
The goal was to balance comfort, stability, and body control, so that the Peaq feels light, smooth, and confident in every situation.
With the Peaq, you can't see all the work that's been done, but you can feel it with every kilometer. And its confidence, and its comfort and safety, and how solid and natural it feels. The Škoda Peaq, engineered to the last detail. As an electric car, the Peaq has a lot more to offer than just a quiet ride. It's been designed to be a modern lounge space. Every detail in the interior was created to give a sense of open and calm space. From the largest rear doors in its class to the space in the third row. And there's just one more thing. The largest sunroof Škoda has ever made, which is absolutely beautiful for the passengers. With a single touch, Peaq transforms into a relaxation zone. The car adapts to you, not the other way around. The Škoda Peaq isn't just a vessel for travel. It's a space where you want to spend time.
comfort during long trips is not just about soft seats. Proper body support, ergonomics, and minimizing fatigue during long trips are important.
Every detail in the interior has a specific purpose, which means suddenly charging time becomes quality time. The atmosphere of the interior can change with a single touch. And it is light that fundamentally changes the feel of the entire space. This is the Škoda Peaq, and quite possibly the peak of how a large SUV can work with air. And why is that actually important? Because aerodynamics today isn't just about speed. It affects energy consumption, range, and the cabin's acoustic comfort. Even though the Peaq is large and spacious, it has a similar aerodynamic drag force to this board. It's an engineering miracle. Let's see how the aerodynamicists achieve this. The aerodynamic design starts right here at the front. The clean lines where the front mass meet the side panels really helps. And these air curtains are large and exceptionally effective. They help smooth the air around the front wheel, which helps reduce drag.
The front wheels generate strong air swirls. The integrated air curtain guides the airflow cleanly around them, which results in lower aerodynamic drag. It contributes to better efficiency and longer range. By integrating its inlet closer to the grille, the bumper corner stays clean, in line with the modern solid design. Each individual solution brings a small improvement, but it's the sum of hundreds of details that delivers this level of efficiency and range.
Aerodynamics isn't just a standout feature here. It's literally everywhere. Minimal edges, integrated handles, minimal disruption, and minimal aerodynamic noise inside.
For instance, the side mirror clearly demonstrates how its shape influences aerodynamic drag, wind noise, and how quickly the mirror gets dirty while driving.
From an aerodynamic perspective, the rear is key, and the Peaq has a sophisticated solution here.
The roof spoiler, together with other real elements, shapes and controls the wake, the airflow behind the vehicle. Thanks to close collaboration with the design team, it has a refined 3D look that combines low aerodynamic drag and a modern look. It's another piece of the aerodynamic puzzle that helps deliver more efficient driving and longer range.
This perfect combination of space and first-class aerodynamic efficiency means two important things: maximizing range and a quiet cabin for the crew. Sounds clever, right?
This car, honestly, I'm very proud of. It's the Škoda Peaq, our flagship, and I think it deserves that title. It's filled with state-of-the-art technology up to the smallest details. Like these door handles, flush and completely smooth, which helps improve the car's aerodynamics. It deploys electrically, but in any reason, there's also fully manual backup. Simply pulling the handle releases the lock mechanically. Inside, you get a 13.6-inch vertical display, clear and intuitive. And an augmented reality head-up display that puts navigation right into focus. But honestly, my personal highlight is this: the panoramic sunroof with dynamic shade control. The largest glass roof in Škoda car ever, the tinting adjusts automatically. You get the light and the openness without the heat and without the glare. We really developed the Peaq as a lounge on wheels. There's a foldable table in the center console, relaxed seats with footrest and pneumatic massage, the sound by Sonos. So even after a long drive, you arrive refreshed. Additionally to this large interior space, you have 935 liters in the trunk. Plus, a 37-liter trunk up in the front. This is a Škoda after all, and the ultimate Peaq in spaciousness. And one more thing, it not only has a range of over 600 kilometers, but it can also act as a charger for your devices or even your e-bike. But now let's have a look at the evolution of the Peaq. That was a long journey. We started with a prototype and went out into the real world to break it. On purpose, desert heat, Arctic cold, thousands of kilometers on gravel, dust, stone chipping. If something was going to fail, we wanted it to fail on our watch, not on yours. Every issue we found was a gift, because it meant we could fix it, optimize it, make it better, and then go test it again. 3.5 years of testing, refining, testing again, from the very first prototype to what you are looking at right now. The Peaq isn't just finished. It's ready for you to explore.
Here it is, the new Škoda flagship, the Peaq. The Peaq is not just a statement in technology and size, but also in design. Martin, the car looks like the show car.
Actually, it started as a show car in year 2022 when we introduced our concept Vision 7S together with our modern solid strategy.
Modern solid is really cool. So the values are?
Solid, functional and authentic.
And I see this solidity, especially also you found on the front fender. Yeah? So the way the wheel sits in there is really good. We see just a few lines, very clean surfaces with a super nice shape. So, and also here this wheel arch is cool because we have this square here and around there, so it fits good, and it's, I think, also good for aerodynamics, right?
Exactly. We extend the aerodynamic for our range as much as possible.
And this is good for the customer?
Definitely.
Okay, let's have a look at the rear. This is stunning view of this car.
Yeah, that's my favorite part of the car. Such a wide boot entrance, the shut line hidden in the graphic.
I like this. I like the simplicity and also the slim elements here that we have.
And with this T-shape, it's very recognizable as well.
What I also like is this solid depots, because this is also something that's very cool for Škoda with this more upright line and this dynamic line, so this is also very distinctive, I would say.
Yeah, very recognizable, and I think it supports as well the super long stretch roof line, so it's a good balance between. Yeah.
But I think the real magic is also here in the front.
Yeah, I think we kept some really important part of Škoda, like for example this typical Škoda nose, the power dome, the Škoda rating. All this together make it very Škoda.
Also, what I like is also the stack back band because it makes the car really looking wide.
Definitely. Also, we kept the ribs, but in a modern way because we have this lightning connecting the two shapes, the two T-shapes together.
So the vertical theme is something that also belongs to Škoda.
Yeah.
So now we look at the interior.
Let's go.
Come on, Luki, join me inside. Wow. It's a complete new architecture.
Yes. I want to tell you something. We wanted to feel democratic in designing this interior, so we were not thinking only as a designers like dashboard, but we wanted to create the entire space for all 7 passengers. Where
crew?
Yes, where everyone really matters.
Absolutely. Yeah. So this is super wide. I like this quite a lot. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Also with the materials, these air vents that are slim.
Yes,
super nice.
We wanted to emphasize the space. That's why this is running into the doors. And everything is underlined with this very slim and sleek air vents. And when we are talking about the modern solid, the design of the dashboard is really divided just for 2 parts, which is representing the protectiveness and the comfort. Very simple, modern solid. This vertical display is ideal for the clustering of the informations. So everything which you see, you have here, and everything which you operate is down.
What I like the most is the center console because you can move this forward and up. Yeah. So if I put my elbow here, so I can easily operate on the screen. This is super fantastic. And what is good is the haptical controls will be. This is great on the steering wheel and also in the center console.
Yes, this is the best combination between the digital and physical worlds.
People love this.
Yes, and I think this perfectly fits to our modern solid design strategy.
Absolutely. No, congratulations. Great job.
Thank you.
Škoda Peaq makes the next chapter for our brand. It is modern, resilient, and purposeful. This is Modern Solid, the future of Škoda design.